Good morning, friends. I hope you are all fine at your home and you are enjoying our videos. So, myself Akash Narvaya from Government College of Education, Akola. Today, we are going to talk about circle as we have talked in previous two videos about circle, basic parts, theorem, and in previous video we have studied about the properties of congruent chords. Now, the next we can we have a next topic that is encircle and circumcircle. In that we are going to see what is encircle and how to draw it within a triangle. So first we'll learn about the circumcircle. So first we'll start with a triangle, that is triangle A, B and C. What is this? This is a triangle A, B and triangle C. Next. So the first step is to draw, like find the bisector of one of the triangle side. What we have to do? We have to find a bisector of one of the side. Anyone will do. See the constructing perpendicular bisector of a line segment. What it means that we have to find the bisector of a side, one of the triangle side. So we have taken A, B. We have bisect this side first, AB. From we have put it our chop here, from here to this mark, and from this side this mark and this mark. First we have taken the side AB. Next, repeat for the another side. Anyone will do same. We have to do for second side. I have taken the side BC. Then what is from B and from C we have another taken line. Repeat. This is an optional stage. Repeat for the third side. This will convince that that the three bisectors do in fact intersect at a single point, but two are enough to find that point. See what means? You can draw a third step by calculating the edges, like from the side by bisecting the sides of a triangle. As we have seen 1 and 2, you can bisect the third one. Next is our third point, that is the point where these two perpendicular intersect the triangle circumcentral. See, these are the two lines, bisector lines, and here the intersector, this is the intersection point of the side AB and side BC. Now the center of the circle we desire. Now this is the center of the circle we desire it. Note that this point may lie outside the triangle, that is normal. See, if this point lies outside the triangle, then don't be hesitate. It is a normal. But now here is the point inside the triangle, that is the circumcenter. Next, now what we have to do? Place the compass point on the intersection of the perpendicular. What we have to do? We have to place the compass at the intersection point and other side of the triangle, like this. We have put it, our center point is O, intersection point is O, and we have put it our chop on the angle C. That means our compass C. Now set the compass width to any one of the point A, B or C. From this we have to put it one point of a compass at the center of the intersection point, and another we have to take the width of any point from A, B and C. Now what we have to do? We have to draw the circle that will passes through all three. Now what we have to do? We have to draw a circle that passes from all the points A, B and C. Now see, we have done by drawing the circle. It means that the circle is drawn from the triangle's circumcircle, the only circle that will pass through all the three of its vertices. It means that the circle drawn from the triangle, the circle drawn from the triangle of a circumcircle, the only circle that will pass through all three of its vertices. It means that when we draw a circle, it will pass all the vertices of the triangle. That is known as circumcircle of a triangle. So what we have seen how we can draw a triangle, a circumcircle with the help of triangle. What we have to do? First, we have to take a triangle of any angle A, B, name it A, B and C, take a bisector of any one side of from the triangle. Like in a triangle ABC, we have taken that one side as AB, second side as BC. We have bisect the lines and then we got a intersection point, and in that point what we have done, we have put it our one point of a compass, and we have taken the width from any angle of a triangle ABC, and we have drawn the circle. This is nothing but the circumcircle of a circle. Now we have to draw, we will learn about how in circle we have to draw within a triangle. What is this circumcircle and in circle? Circumcircle, what is the difference between in circle and circumcircle? That is, circumcircle will draw from the vertices of a triangle, and what is in circle? In circle means we have to draw a circle within a triangle. Now we will see how we can draw it. See, we start again with the triangle. This is a triangle. Okay, this is a triangle. The first step, the steps 1 to 6 establish the in center and are identical to those in a constructing the in center of a triangle. We can say it a in circle or a in center. That